Hi guys, it's day 4, no, day 5 in Philippines, and today we have a flight to catch. This is my outfit. I'll show you. This is my outfit. Normal casual. Today we are going to Cebu. What was I gonna say? We have a flight to catch. I took a quick shower and now I'll have some breakfast घर का जो भी नाश्ता वाश्ता लेके आया वो, and we'll rush to the airport because we will at least take 45 minutes to reach airport. फेरी पे पहले बस में बैठो, फिर फेरी में बैठो, फिर वापस बस में बैठो, फिर एयरपोर्ट चलो. So it's a लंबा process, long process. So yeah, just want to look a little presentable. इसलिए मैं कर रही हूँ थोड़े बाल straight. But for a fact I know once I sit in plane my hair will get oily. But yeah, whatever. वहाँ तक का सफ़र अच्छा होना चाहिए. Now we are going for breakfast because we are hungry and I need something to drink, at least juice. Wait.
We're like really hungry, but more
पाछड़ आवा तो जो एक
My
second.
God. We're like really hungry, and that's why we decided last minute that we have a little bit of breakfast. 'Cause
If
we
they have
think
something
that,
good.
Yeah, because we think that in the flight then we'll get hungry, and then
Yeah,
That's
and
why
also
we-
I changed my outfit because my little dumb mind did not think
no,
of.
it's your little dumb ass. That's what people say.
As I have to beep. Sorry for that.
Okay, you have to.
Okay, so yeah,
There are two
I was so
butterflies
dumb to think that I will not feel cold. Oh my god. So I changed my outfit, wore a shirt, and now achanak se I look like a mommy. Yeah, and she's
Mommy?
going to
Mama,
Mommy. So yeah, last day here. I mean last hour, 1 hour here. I said I want to have breakfast. This is what I meant because apart from this, there's no. आर्य की हॉट चॉकलेट शेक करना चाहिए था. थोड़ुक ले ले. Oh no. Now we are having banana cake.
Why did you say oh no? What is wrong with you?
Sunlight. We are having banana cake. सीधा प्लेट ही लेके अब रिसेप्शन पे पहुंचेंगे because we don't have time and still we are walking like we have
Yeah,
2 hours to ourselves. But yeah, we don't have time. So it's so yummy. Before we leave, this is mandatory. It is so mandatory. We got a group photo. I think I'll insert somewhere. Hi Kavisha.
Hi.
Bye. Now we are leaving for airport. We are super late. It's I think 10:30 already. We have flight to catch at 12:30 and we are still here. It will at least take us 40 minutes to reach airport. Right?
Yes. I don't know why.
Now I know your tricks.
I know your
15-25 years and I still learning. That's how we walk everywhere. She cannot. She's obsessed with me.
She's my little hippo.
Chalo.
I can't leave her.
Chup. Chalo, chalo. Chalo, chalo. Chalo, chalo. I can't believe she's 15 years old and she needs my hand to walk. छोकरों साथ भाई तुम्हारी नहीं था. Drinking before going to airport because we need energy. Wow, yaar. Boracay will miss you. It was really nice. Airport of Boracay. It's so tiny. This is it. The airport is finished here. This is it. It's so small. It's an island. It's an island, so of course. It's gonna be this small. Look, they don't even have Airbus. They are making us sit in this bus, the normal one, to reach to the plane. It's hilarious. I have seen something like this for the first time. It's weird. Kavisha, we again made a massage. It's high time. खुद से ही बंद हो रहा है वीडियो. What is this? What is this?
This airport wala people have in my mind.
What?
Face off shame everybody. Purse गयो प्लेन
which has passport and money in it, and I have lost it. Not lost it, but I forgot to take it from the cabinet, and I am so ashamed about it. I swear I am the most responsible, not most, but responsible. But I don't know what happened today. The bus was waiting for us, so we had to run, so that we could be on time for check-in and everything because we had back-to-back plans. This is an amazing property. I think the name of this property is Sangrina, something. I will confirm the name and tell you. I'm not showing my face because I look like bhoot. I look disgusting. So here is the view for you guys. I'll show you my face once I'm in the hotel. I'm in room, and I'll wash my face. What the hell? And I'll freshen up, and then I'll show you my face. Till then, ta-ta. Let's get the room tour done. तू suppose करें बस. This is the view. It's not ocean view, but it's an ocean wing view, something like that. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm so tired. I just want to take a bath, wear good clothes, get ready. इंसानों जैसा दिखना है, and then party. I'm halfway done. My makeup is done. Look at the mess we have created. It's pathetic. Again, we decided not to create a mess, but clearly we did. Now we are going for shopping for 2 hours, and then we'll directly go to clubbing somewhere called Tipsy. So yeah, I will show you my outfit. This is my outfit, if you can see. If not, my phone is on charge and I have to really hurry up. So yeah, we are all ready. We are all set to go out for shopping. Okay, we are on Lower Bay. What? Where are we? This is our outfit.
So we basically went on the lower instead of,
Arre.
so it's pretty casual today, but then like the place we're going to, like before that we have to go to some like other bar. So I mean, wait, what am I saying? Actually, leave it aside.
Yeah, so we are all set. Again? We are the same place.
No,
No.
we're not.
Okay.
No, we're not.
Yeah. Got it.
Because if this is the same place, then I should maybe just.
She's such a drama queen. I'm in H&M right now, and the collection here is so different than what we have in India. Look at this bag. You won't be able to see such bags. ये तो पता नहीं क्या है, पोटली है. But look at the collection. It's genuinely really nice. If I talk about the bag collection, it is genuinely nice. I shopped from H&M and Uniqlo. Nothing was good here, but now he is trying to get me this cutesy doggy. Post shopping, we came to the bar called Tipsy. I really have to say the bar was great. The club was amazing. The vibe was insane. And one thing I have to tell about clubs in Philippines, they are really safe. Like for girls, it is really safe. The bouncers genuinely do their work. And I don't know, it's just the feeling that here girls are safe and can dance freely. Have speakers, so they decided to sing the song. Vashish बुआ गाओ तो.
लाल परी
What's my name? What's my name? What's my name? My name is Sheila. Sheila की जवानी. I'm too sexy for you, but तेरे हाथ ना आनी. Oh Sheila, Sheila की जवानी. I'm too sexy for you, but तेरे हाथ ना आनी. The hotel. I'm so tired. I'm so done with today. It was so much fun. And now we are off to sleep. She has slept already, and I'll sleep. It's 3. It was great. Loved it. The clubbing was really good. So yeah, that was it for today. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.